What's up, YouTube? Here we have the 3 Nike Airmore Uptempo 96 Eurocity Pack sneakers. The UK, France, Italy, France, and UK editions. I gotta admit, this is my favorite, mostly because the colorway is simple. It's got gold metal lace tips as well, very significant. Let's zoom right into those. The other lace tips here are plastic. Sadly, plastic lace tips. I don't know why they're not all metal, like that seems kind of sketchy, you know, to have one country's sneaker slightly better than the other countries. Anyway, I'm not gonna get into that. This is a pretty fire colorway, that's a pretty fire colorway. This one's much more simple for me, so that's why I gotta say I like it the most. Let's go to the back of these sneakers. Pretty special thing about the UK colorway is that the backs are slightly different. It's got some red, it's got some green star, red star. Pretty significant in my opinion. Otherwise, with this colorway here, pretty similar backs. The Italy colorway, similar backs. I'm trying to see what's special about this Italy colorway here. Because the France one has metal lace tips. The UK one has different backs. I'm not too sure what's special about the France one. About the Italy one, excuse me. I mean, there are 3 different colors. They're pretty clean, so I can't complain. Maybe that's what's special about them. There's nothing different about them. All in all, if I had to choose a pair of these for myself, I think you know I'd choose the black pair, the France pair. Let's rank them in first, second, and third place. First place is this pair right here. And it's real tough for me to pick second and third place, so I'm gonna say there's a tie right here for second and third place. I mean, it's really tough to tell you what I think is better. Let me know in the comment section what you think of all these sneakers. And if you'd ever wear them mixed up like I'm about to do right here. In 4K for you, just in case you were wondering. If you guys did data management in high school, you'll know how many different combinations you get when you have these 2 shoes on, or all 3 of these shoes. Let's see if I can go through all of them real quick. Now let's keep looking. Let's assume the left and right are not any different. Because otherwise that might take way too long. So now we wear the black pair with both colors. Gotta wear the Italy pair with the UK pair. This is pretty fire, considering they're both white. They're both light colored sneakers. Italy, UK, Italy, UK. I think that's all the combinations. I should, however, take this one off, throw this one on, because the backs are slightly different. Red star, green star. But no, I'm not going to do that. Thanks for watching the video. If you like content like this, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to the channel. Goodbye.
Let's go.